Hi, this is Arcana with the Squarp Instruments Modular Brain, and in this video I'd like to tell you a little bit about entering notes into the step sequencer. The Hermod step sequencer is based around 8 steps, sequencer with 8 steps, but with multiple zoom levels. So at every zoom level, what you can see is you can enter 8 steps at a time. Now in Hermod, what you do to enter a step at each beat is to press the corresponding number button. So if I want to enter a note at the first step, I can press 1, there's second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the important thing to remember about the Hermod is that the zoom level here indicates the resolution of what this grid is. Because it's times 1, it's essentially 1 note equals 1 beat. This length here indicates the length of the note. Here it's 1, which means it's 1 beat. And so if you have 8 bars or 8 beats here as a length, you're essentially able to enter, if you think about this in 4/4 time, you can enter 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1 measure and 2 measures. If I play that back, and what you can do is then you can also select and delete notes using the step sequencer as follows. Now, the secret of this, the real power, is when you start zooming into the next level. At times 1, each note that you enter is essentially on a quarter note grid. When you go into times 2, you zoom in and you see more fine-grained resolutions. And what happens is that each note entered is now an 8th note grid. The other thing that happens is that because this is an 8th note grid here, you can only see the first 4 beats. The remaining 4 beats on this 8-beat long sequence is not visible, and so that's why the second half is silent. The other thing that you'll notice is that the length of the note decreases automatically when you zoom in and out. So for example, if I go here, it's 1, here it's 1/2. The half length means that it's an 8th note in length. And this basically goes on for all of the zoom levels of the Hermod. So at times 3, you get triplets. And then you go into 1/4 size, which is 16th note. If I go in one more zoom level, this is you enter at the resolution of 16th notes, and each step is a 16th note. There's a times 6, which allows you to enter things at the resolution of 24 notes. And then finally, at 8, you can enter the resolution of 32nd notes. So using this information, you can essentially enter up to 32nd note steps in the Hermod, and you can zoom in and out and back and forward to be able to enter notes at very fine rhythms. I hope you can use this information to be more efficient about entering your notes in Hermod, and I hope you have fun with it. It's a very great sequencer. I enjoy it quite a lot. Thanks very much.